Welcome to the lecture, students. In this lecture we are going to see about depletion mode MOSFET. You already know what is a MOSFET, metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. In the previous session we saw about enhancement mode MOSFET, N-channel enhancement mode MOSFET. So if you understand N-channel enhancement mode MOSFET, understanding or writing about P-channel MOSFET won't be difficult. The same goes to depletion mode MOSFET. Here you can see the symbol of N-channel MOSFET. Here gate terminal is as such separate. It is insulated from the metal oxide layer, and drain and source terminal, and this substrate and the source are internally connected as discussed in the E MOSFET. So going on to the construction and working, you know about the construction. The construction has only one difference. Here the N channel will be present in a depletion type MOSFET, whereas we have to create the N channel in enhancement mode MOSFET. Here what happens is, first the gate voltage will be set as 0, and then drain to source voltage will be operated. There it was reverse case. Gate source voltage was operating and N channel was set in E MOSFET, and then drain to source voltage was in operation. Now your gate voltage is 0 and drain to source voltage starts to operate. What happens? As usual, the drain to source voltage is reverse biased. See here, this is drain to source voltage, and here also it is reverse biased. What happens? The drain current flows in the direction opposite to that of flow of electrons. So all the electrons flow here. So drain current flows in this direction, and this case happens at VGS equal to 0. At a certain point, there is a voltage where the drain current becomes constant. So this case occurs when VGS is 0. Now what happens when VGS is going to negative side? I mean, when negative voltage is applied to gate to source voltage, what happens? So here when -1 voltage is applied, what happens? The electrons on this surface, on this N channel, is repelled or pushed, and it gets recombined with the P substrate, P holes of the P substrate, so that lesser amount of electrons will be present here in -1 volt due to repulsion of electrons here. So when VDS is increased, we get lesser amount of drain current, since there is lesser amount of electrons present in this surface due to repulsion, due to this negative voltage. When you further increase to -2 volt, what happens? Still the drain current further reduces. This drain current keeps on reducing when VGS also reduces. So now another condition is gate source voltage from 0 to positive. What happens when 0 to positive? If positive voltage is applied here, more amount of electrons are attracted in this region, and now when VDS is increased, what happens? Since more amount of electrons are present here, drain current increases. So if you can see this diagram, drain and transfer characteristics, the right one is drain characteristics and left one is transfer characteristics. If you can see here, for 0 volt it goes to a point and then becomes constant, and again when it is -1 volt, same pattern occurs, but in the amplitude, the current magnitude is reduced. If you can see, drain current is reduced for -1 volt. This is due to the repulsion of electrons from the N channel, thereby reducing the electrons on this surface, so that when reverse bias voltage is applied, the drain current reduces here. Again coming here, when it is raised to positive, more amount of electrons are attracted in this surface. So now when VDS voltage is increased, more amount of electrons are attracted due to this reverse bias, and drain current increases. So coming to transfer characteristics, this happens from 0 to negative. This pattern, if you can see here, from 0, when VGS is decreased from 0 to -5 volt, the current decreases, and when VGS is increased from 0 to 1 volt, this increases, drain current increases. So this region is called as depletion region, and this increasing region is called as enhancement region or enhancement mode. So this is the operation of depletion mode MOSFET. Depletion mode MOSFET works based on the VGS voltage. This is the set point from which if the VGS is reduced, drain current also reduces. When VGS is increased, drain current is also increased. So this is the working of depletion mode MOSFET. Any doubts, you can mail me and you can contact me through college mail ID so that I will be able to clarify your doubts. So we are almost nearing to the end of this fourth unit. Thank you.